Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a couple of exciting unboxings here. These are new moving parts Matchbox cars. So a couple different iterations, so stay tuned. All right, let's open this one and see which one is in here. Okay, so this is the standard new release of the Matchbox moving parts. So we'll take these one at a time here. Take a peek at them. So the new set has a 2025 Jeep Wagoneer in silver. So that's pretty cool. I can't remember if they've already had this in the moving parts. They might have in a different color. For sure they've had it in regular mainline Matchbox, so I've got a few of those, but we will crack these open as we go because we need to make them into keychains. So check that out there. It's got a cool little wing in the back, little spoiler for airflow, and the moving parts on this one are the doors. So the doors do open, which is nice. A lot of these SUVs and stuff, they make the hatch the moving part. It's kind of lame, but opening doors on this guy, yeah, not a bad look. Silver looks decent. Black wheels, 5-spoke. It's actually a decent wheel. Let's see what's next. The Golf Cabriolet. They've done this one last year, or did this one last year in white. So first time seeing it in yellow. It actually pops in yellow, guys, with that white interior. It's got the little roll bar there. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good. It has the opening doors. Yeah. Little tonneau cover there for the top. White wheels, nice touch. I like it. Let me know what you think of that one, guys. I actually really like that one. It actually looks good in yellow. '94 Lotus Esprit 300, guys. Another yellow car. 2 yellow cars in this set. I don't know if they've done this one before in the moving parts. They may have. All right, guys, so the moving parts on this one is the hatch, and this rear wing is metal, and it's kind of in the way to get this open, so gotta try and pry it up there from this top piece here. And then they actually have some detail on the engine there, guys. Can you see that? It's kind of cool little engine bay there. Yeah, the Lotus Esprit 300, looking pretty good in yellow. So you do get 2 of those in this pack. Next up, the Mini Cooper in red. So they did this one in like the forest green color last year, and it sold really well for us as a keychain. So I have high hopes. High hopes for this one in red. Classic color there. Technically, it's the EV version of the Mini Cooper. And the moving parts on this is the opening hood as well. And showing off the electronics there. But it's tough to tell that it's an EV version because they look identical pretty much to the gas version. So it's got the 5-spoke black wheel on it as well. So yeah, that one's definitely a good one of this pack. So we do get 2 of those, which is nice. And then the last one of this set is a new color on the Sequoia TRD Pro. So they had this in the orange color last year. Might have been either last year or early this year's. But this is I think what they call this, because I've had this in the Tacoma, I think this is called Mud Bath as the color, because it's like a brownish color. So yeah, it looks pretty decent. I don't like brown cars, but it's not a horrible brown. TRD Pro on the plate there. And another opening hood, I believe, for the moving part. Maybe? Maybe not. There. Yep, there it is. So decent engine detail there on this one. Yeah, it's got some wannabe fender flares there painted on as well. And you do get 2 of those as well. So that is the new moving parts set, guys. We'll try and open up all the moving parts for you. That one doesn't like this. Oh! Yeah, that was not planned. The hood just ripped right off, so okay. Hopefully that goes back on. Yeah, it kind of just popped back in there, but it doesn't stay open, so not really. Maybe, oh, so we're not going to get that one moving part opened up. We will open that one. Got the doors on this one. And there you go. First box of moving parts unboxed. Okay, guys, this case here I did not even know existed or was a thing until very recently, and I had to pick it up. So if you haven't heard already, guys, this fall on Apple streaming service there's going to be a movie, an actual real life Matchbox movie with all kinds of cars, and so that's what this is. The Matchbox the movie moving part series here. So they've got the cars to go with it, and this first one's a banger, guys. Check that out. 2020 Nissan GTR Nismo R35, looking good. Let's crack it open here. Yes, that is an epic Matchbox moving parts, guys. Super good. And of course the moving parts on this one are the doors. See if we can get you a little shot of the interior there. Yeah, looks really good, guys. I really like this casting. I'm gonna knock the wing. It is a plastic wing, but it looks pretty decent. Yeah, and that 5-spoke wheel design that they like to use. But that first one, guys, is probably the best one out of the case. So moving on, at least we get two of that one. Next up, looks like this must be in the movie too, a Volkswagen bus. That's cool that it's a bus that has the opening door. That thing has some heft to it, guys. That's heavy. Holy moly. Wasn't expecting it to be that heavy. And it's got a it's a plastic base. It's not like it's a metal base. So this top half is heavy. And there's the sliding door there. Kind of wobbly. Could break very easily. That window go down? Doesn't go down, but it looks like it's cracked a little bit when it's closed. And that's probably just for making sure it seals better. Yeah, just the one side opens, nothing on this side. But I do believe this might be the first time that they've had the Volkswagen van bus in moving parts. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've seen one of these in moving parts before. I have not. Okay. So we do get 2 of that as well. Next up, Dodge Ram Ambulance. Okay. The EMS paramedic ambulance. So it must be a Dodge in the movie. I'm guessing that the doors open in the back because nothing else has moving parts. So how are you supposed to get that to open? Guess you need a tool, something to get inside there. Like so. And then there's some detail inside there. That's another heavy one, but there's a lot of metal, a lot of area there. 2 of that one, which is kind of a bummer. Don't only need 2 of that. And last of this box is a Ford GT40 in black, guys. The opening back hatch. Yes, that is looking good. Can't go wrong with black with white stripes. Classic look. So that's plastic as well. All these cars have some heft to them, guys, even though they got plastic chassis. So there's the open, kind of a cheesy little engine bay there. They didn't do much with that. Not a lot of detail there. But I think I can see here where this metal here on the chassis is super thick, so adding to the weight. Yeah, that one looks pretty good as well. So only 4 cars, and you get doubles of each in this set. 4 of 4 instead of 5 like the other moving parts tend to have. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I was pretty excited to find these moving parts from the Matchbox, the movie coming out here this fall. So that was a cool surprise. Didn't know about those. But if you're interested in picking these up, as of this video, they were still available when this came out. You can order these, a whole case of these, from anjtoys.com. I'll have a link down in the description. I got the regular moving parts from there as well. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.